my channel. Today we're going to be doing a dog vlog. First on the agenda for the dog vlog is we're going to take him for a walk. Next, take him to the dog park and then end it back home. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what I should do next down in the comments.
A few moments later.
Alright, hey guys, we got the dog. We're going to start the walk. Let's go. Hey guys, we are taking the dog for the walk right now. Oh, stop. Alright. We're taking the dog for the walk. Our path is gonna be just around my neighborhood. And maybe to the dog park. I don't know. But yeah. This is my first video. I'm new to this. So if you guys will please hit that like and subscribe button, it will really make my day. Alright guys, I think I've decided on taking him to the dog park. I mean, he needs to get some exercise, even though I'm going to take him for a walk. And also, he hasn't been to this park for a while, and also I haven't been to this park for a while. I mean, it has a lot of amenities. It's pretty fun, if I can remember. It has a pickleball court, at least 4 of them, I think. And a splash pad type thing. The dog park and the little rope park, I think. Yeah. Right now I'm on the trail to get to there. I mean, oh wait, forgot to tell you, it also has a cricket. If you know what cricket is, let me know down in the comments, cause I always can get confused on what it is. Someone has to always remind me to what it is. But yeah, I'll get some videos of him at the dog park. I mean, yeah. Alright guys, me and my dog are gonna race. Let's see who wins. It's a down and back. Or just down. Let's see who makes it down there first. Alright, let's go. There's just this little mini park right here. There's stepping stones right there. There's my dog. He's so confused on what's going on. As you can see, I'm gonna step down on these now. Just get off of it. And now, like I told you, rope park. And hey guys, we are now heading back home. Yeah. I have a dance comp coming up this weekend. So I'm gonna film some of that. Give you a dance vlog, basically. And I don't know if I should do more dog vlogs or more dance vlogs whenever it comes to that point. I mean, I want to know what my audience likes. So, yeah. If you have any other ideas for what I should do, just let me know. Cause I mean, yeah, I'm all ears. Come on, see, listen, I'm all ears. Yeah. All right, well, we're just heading back home. Yeah. Alright guys, we made it home. Maverick, come here, kitty. Yeah, so this is my dog, he's a cute guy. You might have seen him in some shorts that he made. Yeah, his name is Maverick, he's an OC Doodle, and he's cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and see you next time.